This is my 4th day driving the 370 with my new setup, which is my Z1 clutch and my elimination kit. Let's go. Now we shift. Now we shift. And then now we shift. This car is so much fun. This girl behind me is a little bit too close. Oh, it's a green light. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I used to get so stuck on this hill, guys. Y'all don't even know, because I barely recorded that. Right here in this lane. I don't know. I couldn't grip this at all. Like, I remember I used to be there for like ever. Now with this new clutch, I just eat it up. Y'all hear that? Huh. And then we shift. My bumper. Like daily in the Z, because I'm trying to break in the clutch. I'm gonna have to break it in for 500 miles. Hopefully I can get somewhat good. Hint, somewhat. I think I'm still gonna mess up. You know what the problem is? Sometimes I get really nervous. When I get nervous or I feel like I'm under pressure, that's when I kind of mess up, like when there's too many people behind me. Great to have no rear mirror. I mean, no backup camera, so this is kind of hard. All right, let's go to the UPS. I need my keys. Turn this off. Let's put this bad girl in gear. Package secure. Wow. Hey, we going, people? Oh my god. Oh, what the? Okay, this is what you see in Jersey, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna take my sweet time. You guys really are like, should we go? Should I go? No, let's go. Alright guys, good morning. So we're gonna go up that hill up there. I was scared the last time I came because I couldn't grip it and I was just rolling back hard, so I gave up. I literally kept rolling all the way down until I made a U-turn, and then I just went the other way. I couldn't do it. Like, my clutch was bad. So we're gonna go up this hill. I was so scared. It was a whole line of cars and I was like, dude, it got me more nervous. It doesn't look bad, but it was bad for me. Let me see. I forget, how do you roll? I think like, do you put it in neutral and then you roll, or not? That's like, that's how you brake. Let me see. Or we're rolling back. Okay, you see, now man, now your girl got it. I got your grip. There we go. Woo! Let me stop before a car comes. It's still green on that side. Dang. There goes a car. I'm a little scared, I'll admit. I'm actually really scared still. way, or I don't know. Ugh! Just hurt my bumper. There's some traffic over there, so we're gonna turn over here. We're gonna actually go get some Dunkin' Donuts. Good morning. All right, I don't even know her. Wait a minute, that's not closed. Every other day I come is closed. Nope, it's actually open. Now we shift. Now we shift. Morning. I saw someone say in the comments that you don't always have to go to 1 when you're coming to a stop. So you can actually go neutral and then go to your gear when you're ready to go. Damn, girl or guy. But this is how I brake, which we're good, so we can relax off the clutch. This clutch is actually really hard, so I don't want to keep my foot on this. The OEM I actually did keep my foot on, but this I can't. This is kind of a little bit rough. Is it my turn? Is it my turn? Yeah, it's my turn. Well, I have the feeling this Dunkin' Donuts is gonna be packed. No. Is it? I mean, it's not that packed. It could be worse. We got a little hill right here. Like that. Okay. Hello. Do you guys have an iced mocha latte?
Yes, what size did you want?
Can I have a medium?
Okay, anything else?
Can you make sure there's like 5 pumps of the mocha?
Okay, you want a medium mocha latte with extra pumps of mocha? And you want caramel on top of it?
Caramel?
I mean, you want whipped cream on top of it?
Oh, no whipped cream.
No whipped cream, alright? So you just want a regular latte with extra mocha in it. Anything else?
Can you make sure it's iced?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Oh, you could drive up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I stalled. Alright. I stalled. Let me see, where's my biting point? There we go. I'm not gonna lie, that's scary, especially when a person's a little bit too close. But it's okay, we just gotta get used to it. We're good. We're not on a hill now. Y'all hear that? That's crazy. Hello. This looks good. This is a mocha iced latte. But is it gonna taste good? I don't know. We're gonna find out right now. No way, look at my shirt. Damn, it just got messed up. Dang it! Well, that's just garbage. No fucking way. Yo, look at this. No way, it got messed up. I just put this on today. It's okay. I'll just change to a different shirt.